Hi and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to look at something that's very important on the test, and that is not moving at all. Now, what I mean is stop signs, because this is an integral part of all the driving tests. And let's have a look, because there are two kinds of stop signs, and this can be very confusing to people. I'll show you what I mean. We're going to go up to a stop sign now, and we will be moving straight ahead at the stop sign. First legal stopping position, you've got to stop with the front of the car behind the white line. That is very important to do. Now, if you have a look at the stop sign, underneath it there is a sign that says all way, a little tab that says all way. People don't see that. They see a stop sign, but it's really important. You see, when you do an eye test, for example, at the doctor's, you look at the big letters first, don't you? Look underneath it, because all way is different. What an all way stop sign is, you stop just like any stop sign, but everybody has got a stop sign. And the sequence is whoever gets there first goes first. It's first come, first served, so it's in total sequence. If we get here first, we go first. Get here second, then we go second. So always look down below the big stop sign and see if it says all way. Sometimes it will say two way, three way, four way, but it's really important. And then it's totally sequential. Now, we got here first, so we turned. That car actually went ahead of us, which it shouldn't have done. So the important point is that's going to happen a lot. So make sure that you do look. Don't just assume, I've got the right of way, I'm going to go. You've got to look, as I slowed down there when I moved off. Now, the next kind of stop sign is one that does not have an all way. And the procedure here is, let's see, first of all, if it's got a white line, we stop with the front of the car behind the white line. If it does not have a white line, then we stop behind the sidewalk. And I'm going to turn left, so I'm signaling left. There's no sidewalk here on the right side, but there is on the left side. So in this case, what we do, you stop at the first one, which would be behind the sidewalk here, the front of the car in line with the beginning of the sidewalk, because pedestrians, very important on the test, as you know. Now, one of the things you'll see here is you can't see. So you can't just go, you have to creep forward and, if necessary, stop again. We've got a pedestrian on the left. We've got a truck turning to the left here. It has the right of way because it doesn't have a stop sign. And now, before the pedestrian gets there, we see it's all clear and we can go. Making sure we stay on our side of the road. Don't cut the corner because you've got oncoming traffic like you have here. So the first thing you look for is the white line. The second thing you look for is the beginning of the sidewalk. And if there's no sidewalk, what do you do then? Well, what you do is you stop with the front of the car in line with the curb, or where the curb would be if there was one. Now I'm going to stop there. We're going to find one of those.